Every video has a story, and editing is where that stories take shape. I am Raheel, a video editor with a passion for telling stories that connect, inspire, and move. Over the years, I have worked on everything from social medias to cinematic edits. Whether it's a short form content or a long form storytelling, I focus on pacing, emotions, and impact. I work fluently across tools like CapCut, Clipchamp, Filmora, Adobe Premiere Pro, and DaVinci Resolve, choosing the right one for the right project. And I use AI tools to speed up process, enhance quality, and push creative boundaries. From script to screen, the tools are powerful, but it's the vision and instinct that turns edits into experiences. I bring both. I am Raheel and I'm ready to tell your story frame by frame.